Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Industry channel. My name is Richard. So on the back you can see this is the transmission part of the high pressure grinding roller. And as for the structure, you can see this is the high pressure grinding roller, and we have the plant territory reducers here. And then on the left side we have the universal joint coupling, and also we have the motors. And then as for the structure, you can see this is the oil lubrication system. So when it is operating, this oil lubrication system will feed the oil and into the gas cylinder to exerting a constant pressure on the grinding roller. Therefore, the materials is being ground in between them. So, and then you can see this is the couplings, this is the motor, and then this is the planetary reducers, and then this is the high pressure grinding roller. This is the clinker high pressure grinding roller. So yeah, then guys, I will introduce about other part of our cement grinding equipment.